Hey, it's Michelle, aka Stunna, and I'm here to do a tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is the palette that I'll be using, and as you can see, it's very, very, very colorful. So I'm going to be using some blues and some purples today. They usually do eyebrows first. So I just brush. So what I used is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in Chocolate. I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of this color and this orange color. I'm gonna put that right there in my crease. With the same brush, the same blending brush. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm doing windshield wiper motions, but every once in a while I do circles too. And I usually do circles on the edges. So windshield wiper motions, just kind of blending out the color, and then I kind of do circles just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Next, I'm going to use the purple. This purple shade right here. And I'm going to put it on my outer corner. My outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it a little bit in my crease. And I'm blending it into my crease again, like that. All right, so now we're gonna take this blue shade here and put that on this inner lid here. Okay, now I kind of want that blue to be a little bit more vibrant. So I'm gonna go in with that brush again, and I'm gonna spray it with this Mary Kay makeup finishing spray. And what this does is it foils your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna spray the brush with the eyeshadow on it, and I'm going to go back over it. If you can see, it just makes it a little bit more vibrant when you do that. I'm gonna go into this color here, this black, and I'm going to deepen the outer corners where I put that purple. I'm gonna deepen that up, make it look a little more smoky. Now I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend all this together with that fluffy brush. I'm gonna blend that purple with the black, and up into the crease, just so there's no lines of demarcation and it's all seamless. So now I'm gonna work on my face. So first thing I'm gonna use is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. And this is just a little mini one. I'm just gonna put that all over. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Today I'm gonna use the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Makeup Stick. And this is in the color 460 Suede. And I'm almost out, as you can see. I need to get me a refill. And just go over it like that. And I'm gonna use my big old Tarte brush that I love so much. And I'm actually gonna spray this too. And the reason why I do that, it just helps blending a little bit when it's a little bit damp. I'm going to pat this on because I want higher coverage. I want better coverage. Yes, honey, I'm starting to come into form. I'm starting to come into form now. I'm just making sure I blend. All right, next thing is concealer. I'm just gonna do a couple dots down my nose, a little right here, and here, and a little here. I wasn't gonna contour, but now I feel compelled. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty contour stick or matchstick in the color Espresso. I'm gonna go right in here. You can either do a fish face, or you can stop or start at the top of your ear and draw a line. That's how you find out where your contour goes. And I try not to go past the outside of my eye. I try to stay in this region here. And then you can do a little bit for your double chin, if you have one like me. And then I do a little bit here, a little bit on my forehead. I'm gonna go in with this contour brush. I don't know where this is from because the label has faded off. So I'm just going to blend this in. And I'm gonna blend this down. Cause you want to add a shadow down here to kind of make the illusion that you have a neck. We don't want any no neck monsters, okay? So that is the point of that, okay? And let's blend this 5 head of mine. Okay, nice. And then what I'm gonna do is go over everything again with this brush. Just to blend everything out, make everything look seamless. I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with the Lancome Dual Finish Powder Makeup in Matte Sable number 4. And I'm just going over all the places I added that concealer. So underneath my eyes, on my nose, above my lip, on my chin, and also on my forehead. With the same brush, I'm going to set where I did my my cream contour. Now I'm going to use the MAC Blunt contour shade. And I'm actually just going to use the same brush. I like to pat everything because I want the most coverage. And then after I pat it in and just place the coverage, I blend it out. And one more time, I'm going to go over everything with my brush, my foundation brush. And I'm just gonna pat everything in, make sure everything is in place and everything is blended. I'm gonna go in with my highlighter now. And I'm gonna use the highlighter from Becca, their Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Topaz. You're just gonna put this on the highest part of your cheekbones. That was a little too much, but I'm gonna fix it. Again, foundation, brush is your best friend. All right, I'm gonna do mascara. I'm using Lancome Defensives mascara. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash mascara. And the last thing we're gonna do, I think the last thing, is put on some lipstick. Again, I'm using Mented lipsticks. This is in the color Brand Nude. And I'm gonna top it off with Fenty Beauty, what is this called? Gloss Bomb. Get me a little nude lip going. And last thing I'm gonna do is now spray my face with that finishing spray. And this is the one from Mary Kay, the one I'm using. I love it so much, it's amazing. Mary Kay did a collaboration with Scandinavia, so that's what this is. Okay, that is the final look. I hope that you like it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It was a little bit longer than the other one. If you have any questions about anything, please leave a comment below. Give me a heart if you like this video, and also comment any requests that you might have for any future videos. So, all right, well, hopefully you guys approve of this look. All right, see you guys later. Bye.